Hello, this is Miss Pineda, your school counselor. Today I'm going to be reading you a book called Be Respectful, A Hero's Guide to Being Courteous by Elsie Olson. Be Respectful, A Hero's Guide to Being Courteous. Be your best you. Have you ever done something that shows you care? Like saying please or thank you or offering to share. Superheroes show respect to whomever they face, and this makes the world a more courteous place. You have the power to be a hero too. Be respectful of others. Be your best you. What is respect? Respect is a lot like caring. It means showing that you think about how others are feeling. Respectful people are courteous. They have good manners. They help others. Are you respectful? Do you say please and thank you? Do you apologize if you make a mistake? Do you raise your hand before speaking in class? These are acts of respect. Be courteous. You can show respect everywhere you go. Just be courteous. Some acts of courtesy are big, but even small acts of courtesy make a big difference. They make others feel cared about. It feels good to be shown respect. It feels good to be respectful too. And it uses superpowers that everyone has, even you. Superpower. Say please, please. Politeness is a superpower. It helps you show respect. There is a simple secret to being polite. Just treat people the way you like to be treated. Good manners checklist. Follow simple rules to act polite. Say please and thank you. Don't interrupt others. Say excuse me and keep your mouth closed when you're chewing. Superpower. Help out. Superheroes are all about action. Put your respect to work. Find small tasks you can do without being asked. When you help someone, they will be more likely to help you out too. 6 ways to help out. Set the table for dinner, pick up the trash outside, clean your room, tell your bus driver thank you, help a brother or sister with homework, make a card for a grandparent or a neighbor. Superpower! Say it nicely. Speaking is a superpower too. The things you say matter. They could make someone feel good or sad. So choose respectful words. Say good morning. Tell your parent you love them. And say thank you to anyone who shows kindness. Show respect online. Some people say mean things online. Before you post online, ask yourself, would you say this to the person's face? Would you feel good if someone said this to or about you? Did you answer yes to both questions? Post. If you answered no, keep your words offline. Superpower, tolerance. Respectful heroes show tolerance. This means showing respect to people who are different from you. Differences make us special. Learn about kids who are different from you. Stick up for kids you see being bullied because of their differences. Superpower, say you're sorry. Even superheroes make mistakes, but you have a superpower you can use when you mess up. It's apologizing. It's hard to show respect all the time. Say sorry when you aren't respectful. Be brave. It can be scary to apologize. People may not forgive you right away, but apologizing is still the right thing to do. Superpower, respect yourself. Respecting others is important, but it is important to respect yourself too. This means taking good care of yourself. Get lots of sleep, eat healthy foods, and move your body every day. Respecting yourself also means having confidence. Be proud of who you are. Show the world what a hero you are. Be a hero. It's your turn to take a stand. Act like a hero. Lend a hand. With the words you say and the things you do, be respectful and courteous. Be your best you. What would you do? Being a hero is about making respectful and courteous choices. How would you use your superheroes in the situations below? You see your classmates making fun of a student who is dressed differently from others. You accidentally break your sister's favorite toy. You see your neighbor trying to carry many bags of groceries. The end. Thank you for listening to Be Respectful, a book by Elsie Olsen. Thank you.